Are you looking for a way to keep your children engaged and learning this summer without the hassle of leaving home? Yuno Learning's 5-day free online public speaking workshop is perfect for children, aged 11 to 14. We start with Power Talks, where your child will learn to speak confidently, organize their thoughts, and captivate an audience. Next, we dive into social etiquette, teaching them the nuances of polite conversation and respectful interactions. Midweek, we focus on pronunciation tricks to enhance their spoken English clarity. Then, we'll explore voice modulation to help them control their pitch and tone during conversations. The week wraps up with vocabulary building and expanding their language use through fun games and activities. To attend these classes, one simply needs a laptop or mobile and a stable internet connection. Don't miss this chance to give your child a head start in mastering essential life skills. Enroll now and watch them transform into confident and articulate communicators.